Guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Correct TV, and on today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download the Metamask wallet on your PC. Now the first thing you're going to do is open your Google Chrome browser on your PC. Now if you don't have a Google Chrome browser, I would advise you download one. Okay, now when you have done that, you're going to now search for the word Chrome Web Store on the Google search. Now the Chrome Web Store is to PCs what Google Play Store is to Android, and what Apple Store is to iPhone. So as you can see, the first result on the search engine, that's the one you're going to click on, which is showing chromewebstore.google.com. Now when you open this Chrome Web Store, you're going to see a whole new different environment that you have not seen before, for those of you who have yet to use it. Now when you click on it, it's going to load a page. As you can see, I'm hovering around it, so as you click on it, it's going to load the page. Now as you can see, there are so many things here. Welcome to the Chrome Web Store, but above you will see a search icon. Now that's the search icon where you're going to search for anything you want to download. Okay, now as you can see, this Google Chrome Web Store is for downloading applications and themes. So you put in the name of your application, Metamask. Now when you put on this Metamask, you will observe something. Now for the applications you want to download, they must have a verified check mark. Now if they don't have a verified check mark, for your own safety, I will advise you avoid it. So as you can see, this one has a verified check mark, and it has the logo of the Metamask that we want to download. Now you could also notice that there are other fake Metamask. All these do not bear the logo and the extension. So you click on Metamask. Now on the top right corner, you will see where they wrote add to Chrome. Okay, now you're going to click that add to Chrome, and there's going to be a pop-up. Now this pop-up will tell you to add extension. This is the same thing as downloading the extension, because when you click on the add to extension, the file immediately starts downloading at the top right corner of your PC, and you can see it right there that is currently being downloaded. Now when it finished downloading, it's going to pop up and inform you that the file has finished downloading. Okay, and then you wait for it to finish installing. As you can see, this blue circle-ish stuff that is rotating is telling you that the file is installing, and it has done installing. Metamask has been added. Now on that top right corner, you see the icon of the Metamask. So that's where that icon is always going to be found, but it is hidden until you pin it. So immediately the download completes, the project will launch the Metamask application itself. So you create a new wallet and agree. Then for your security, you're going to add a password. Now please add a password that you are not going to forget. Okay, it's very important you do. Okay, so let me add mine. Remember, this is just for educational purpose only. So now it's time to secure our wallet. Now what I want to inform you now is that there's a word called secret recovery phrase, and is mostly 12 in number, sometimes 24 in number. Now secret recovery phrase is how you can recover your wallet whenever you want to, no matter where, no matter how. If your phone is stolen, you can still recover it, if and only if you have this 12 recovery phrase. So as you can see, these are my own 12 recovery phrase. Remember, this video is for educational purpose. Don't try going to download it. You will not even get anything there at all. So immediately you save or back up your recovery phrase where no one will see it, because the next slide is them texting us on our knowledge of our phrase if we have saved it. So you're now going to impute each of the missing words, and when you impute it, and if it's correct, they're going to show the confirm clear. so that you can click on it. So I'm trying to impute the third word and the fourth word with also the eighth word. Now once I'm done imputing it, you will see it's going to show what confirm will be visible. Okay, so cushion, you see the confirm is actually visible right now. So the next thing we are going to do is to what confirm. Now I'm trying to show you if there is an error, you will see that the confirm will go off. So you see we have added it correctly and is what done. Congratulations, you click next, your wallet has been installed. So as you can see, this is your wallet platform right now. So the next thing I'm going to teach you now is how to copy your wallet phrase. So as you can see, this is your wallet. You can buy, swap, bridge, send or receive, but what we will be focusing on today is copying what your wallet address. So as you can see, that wallet address that I'm hovering on, when you tap on it, is going to copy. So we have copied our wallet address. So the next thing is, if whoever asked you for the wallet address, you can give it to them to send you funds. It's safe. But then you can also create another wallet right here in case the one you have, you want to only use it for a particular purpose. So you can create another one. You add account and you click on add a new Ethereum account. Now when you add a new Ethereum account, the next thing you're going to do is so you click on that add and you put a name to it. So we're going to be using Corex. So immediately you add account and then you see we have successfully created our second account. So you can either go to your first or your second account. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you now, as you can see, this is just the first process of creating a wallet address. Now this second account you have created, you click on that three dots so that you'll be able to see where your private key is. Now the private key is also the same thing as the secret phrase, the 12 words is the same. Sometimes some wallet may ask you to import your private key or import your secret phrase. Both of them are the same, they do the same job. So you hold to review private key. Immediately you've done that, you click copy and you have successfully copied your private key. And you see, this is everything you need to know about creating a Metamask account. Now remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Corex TV. Thank you.